Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and today I have a special message for all the amazing women watching. If you've been wondering how to manifest more money into your life, you're in the right place. We're going to talk about how you as a woman can step into your full power and create the abundance you truly deserve. Money is energy, and we're going to align you with that energy so you can attract more wealth and abundance. First, let's talk about worthiness. As women, we've often been conditioned to think that success or wealth is reserved for a select few, or that we have to work twice as hard to get half as much. But that's simply not true. You are worthy of abundance just as much as anyone else. In fact, you were born deserving of every good thing the universe has to offer. So manifesting money starts with believing that you are worthy of it. If you have any limiting beliefs around money, now is the time to release them. Say goodbye to thoughts like I'm not good enough or money is hard to come by. Instead, start affirming I am worthy of wealth. I am deserving of abundance. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they'll become your reality. Now let's get clear on what you want. When it comes to manifesting money, clarity is key. Many women struggle with being specific about their financial goals. They might say, I want more money, but I'm not sure how much more money. So let's think about, what do you want that money for? It's time to get specific about your desires. So take some time to sit down and get really clear about how much money you want to manifest and how you want to manifest. Is it a raise at work, a new business opportunity, or maybe it's the freedom to travel and experience life on your own terms? Whatever it is, write it down, be detailed, and make sure your goals align with your values. The universe can't deliver what it doesn't understand. So the clearer you are, the better. Manifesting money is about aligning your energy with abundance. So when you feel abundant, you attract abundance. And you might ask, how do you do that? Well, one way is by practicing gratitude. When you start your day by being grateful for everything you already have, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready for more. So take 5 minutes every morning to list 3 things you're grateful for. It can be anything. There are no wrong responses when it comes to feelings of gratitude. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you invite that abundant energy into your life. While manifesting is all about energy, it's also about taking inspired action, which means listening to your intuition and following that internal guide towards those opportunities you feel drawn to or even curious about. Whatever you feel inspired to start or have been dreaming of starting, just take one small step to get started. And before you know it, you will be in the flow. Money flows when we take aligned action and not forced action. The key here is to trust yourself. When an idea or opportunity feels exciting or in alignment with your goals, take that next step. Even if it feels a little scary at first, remember that the universe is supporting you when you act from a place of trust and purpose. Manifesting money isn't just about action, it's also about nourishing yourself along the way. Now, as women, we tend to give so much to others that we sometimes forget to take care of ourselves. But here's the truth. You can't manifest your desires if you're running on empty. So when you prioritize self-care and self-love, you're showing the universe that you value and love yourself. And that is a magnetic energy. So please make time for self-care, whether it's through exercise, relaxation, hobbies, or simply resting. When you take care of your mind, body, and soul, you raise your vibration and attract abundance almost effortlessly into your life. So to recap, here's how you as a woman can manifest more money into your life. Know that you are worthy. Release those limiting beliefs and step into your power. Get clear on your goals. Be specific about how much money you want and why you want that money. Align with the energy of abundance. Practice gratitude. Embrace the feeling of wealth. Take inspired action. Follow those intuitive nudges that guide you toward opportunities. Prioritize self-care and self-love. Take care of your well-being to maintain a high vibration. And remember, you are an abundant, powerful woman, and you deserve everything that you desire. The universe is just waiting for you to claim your financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And please share this message with other women who are ready to manifest their dream life. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.